In this example, you have three tasks: A, then B, and C. A is of 5 days duration, B is of 10, and C is of 15. So in the forward pass, we calculate the yearly start and the yearly finish based on the duration. So as far as A is concerned, it starts on day 1, 5 days duration, can complete on day 5. B starts on day 1, can complete on day 10 because duration is 10 days. C, as far as C, because of its dependency on A as well as B, it can start only on day 11 because B completes on day 10, so C can start only on day 11 and complete on day 25 with a duration of 15. So if you look at it, A does not impact start of C because it completes on day 5, so it really doesn't impact C as long as it completes on day 10. It is not going to impact C at all. So if you look at it, the critical path is on the forward pass is something on B and C. So if there is going to be a delay in completion of B, then it will impact C. Start date of D can be impacted. So that is as far as the forward pass is concerned. So the backward pass is based on late finish and the late start. It is on the reverse direction. As far as C is concerned, the late finish is on day 25. The late start will be on day 11. So 25 minus 15 plus 1 becomes 11. And as far as B is concerned, the late finish will be on day 10, and late finish can be on day 10 as far as A is concerned. But since we are going in the reverse direction, if you look at it, late start as far as B is concerned will be on day 1, whereas late start of A can happen on day 6 because the late finish as far as A is concerned is on day 10 minus the duration, which is 5 plus 1, so which means late start of A will be on day 6. So both forward pass and backward pass are critical in examining the critical path of any of the project activities. This is again self-explanatory. So generally the activities which are sequenced in the critical path determine the project duration, and it is the longest path as well of the since it is in the critical path, any delay in the completion of activity, any of the activity in the critical path will impact the likely to impact the total schedule or the budget, because once you delay an activity which is lying on the critical path, the next subsequent activity in the critical path, that will get delayed as well. Once you delay that, there are going to be resources which are going to get allocated, has to be extended for that duration, so which means it could impact the budget as well.